Good morning, Seacom Rebel, and we're back again live. How are you doing? It's 10 a.m. Tuesday morning, my time. It's nice and sunny outside. And today, this one's going to be short. I'm going out. My wife and I are going out shopping today. I've got a wedding coming up soon that we're going to, and then get some clothes for the wedding. So we'll be doing that shortly. And so let's give a quick recap of the market and see what's happening. Let's have a look. Alright, so check out Coinbase. So looking good. The market's looking good. We got Bitcoin at $6,743, up 5% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum 482, up 5%. Ripple 48 cents, up 7%. Bitcoin Cash, nice move, up 9.27% to $806. EOS $8.16, nearly up 10%. Litecoin 87.87, up 4.5%. Stellar at number 7 at 23 cents, up 9%. Cardano at 15 cents, up 9% also. IOTA at number 9, $1.08, 7.63% increase on that. Tether rounds out top 10 at 2.7 billion market cap. And we've got Tron, Neo, Dash, Monero, and very close to bringing out those extra 5. We're seeing good gains there across the top of the market, and so Bitcoin Cash, EOS, a couple of moves there, around about 10%. If we scroll down and have a look at what else has been moving. VeChain, no movement probably for that one, and Decred 12%. BitShare 16%. Alright, so that's nothing too crazy there, but we've seen some really good gains. So, and what I've noticed is just we've seen the 5% on Bitcoin, and because of that, we're seeing a lot of the alts pick up with some nice moves there. So that is really good news. So let's cover a couple of things. Some news. Crypto sentiment analysis, Twitter indicating bullish at a 5-month high. So this little analysis just came out in the last few days, which we can see here is the graph that have a moving average. And this is basically whether people are bullish or bearish, and they get this information from researching tweets. They analyse tweets that come out on Twitter, and we've got all the information published there. So a couple of interesting things that people talk about: SYS, Power, Den, Mana, Knowles, Hay, a few different ones, and also top tweets relative to market cap: Metal, Nebulous, REQ, and Cash, and so this is great. I'll link to this one and have to check it out. But what we're really seeing is, at the moment, people are bullish, and that's showing up in Twitter. Currently, it's been the last 10 days from everyone said, and I would agree. It's just it's been low. We've been waiting for small market to come in with money in the market. That's happening slowly. It was. Don't forget that it was 12 months today. Bitcoin was $2,600. Okay, incredible. $2,600, and it's moved up to nearly 20k, and then all the way back down. And while we're at 6.7 right now. So that's the kind of thing that we can have happen in the next 6 months. It might move back 20k, it might only move 10, 12k. But we can definitely see something happening in this last half of the year. Next one, Coinbase gets regulatory approval to list digital coins with big securities. So you probably did see the announcement that Nano, Basic Attention, Stellar, Lumen, Zcash, and 0x. They're not guaranteeing that these are going to be listed, but they're exploring getting into those coins. Also, back in June, they announced that they can now support Ethereum Classic, ETC, and the ERC20 tokens. So this is all good news because basically the more you can purchase from different locations, the better. See, Bitcoin holds a strong hold on the market because the only way to enter the market mainly is to buy Bitcoin. Some of the big places like Coinbase now are getting Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ethereum, and these other places. But essentially, if you want to convert your fiat into crypto, mainly it's done through Bitcoin. Okay, because when you go out to other platforms, Bitcoin is what you trade against. But that will change over time. Over time, you're going to be able to get into more crypto assets and swap them for fiat. Okay, and once that happens, and also once the exchanges, they, for example, like Binance, when you're using the Binance coin rather than the Bitcoin, or you're using something like Tether or another stable coin to trade against the other markets, that is going to make a massive difference. So at the moment, we've got the market, the market cap for Bitcoin is 275. Sorry, the total market cap is 275 billion. The dominance is 42%. But that will go down as the more, as the more assets you can get from fiat and make it easy. So in the beginning, it was like 90-something% dominance because that's all you can get in Bitcoin, and it's decreased because essentially you can buy these coins easier than you can before. And so soon you'll come to the point where you'll be able to buy any asset straight up, and then also you'll be able to on exchange to trade it. So I just thought I'd share that with you. So that's good positive news for the market, and I'm going to head out shopping. If you've got any questions, make sure you put them in the comments below. If you're looking for training and want to get started, you can go to ecomrev.com. I'll have a link below. Just put that below there. If you're new to the channel, you can always like and subscribe. This goes out on YouTube and on Facebook. But also with the live, you can actually click on, when the live finishes, you can actually click on the little button that says you want notifications of live for when the next live happens. Okay, and if you want some training, you can always go to the website, click this link. This is the Crypto Getting Started course I put together. It's about 2 hours worth of video. Check that out. I mean, it's a lot of people miss this step when it comes to crypto. They get in, they make some mistakes and don't choose the right things to get off to a good start. So I've put together some training for you guys, and you want to check that out. I've got all the information there and see if it's right for you. I'm working on some other training shortly. I've put together a few videos. But basically, there's plenty of money to be made in this market, and even regardless of whether Bitcoin is going up or down, you can make money. Contrary to popular belief, some people just buy Bitcoin and hope it's going to go up. You can make money without hoping. You can just make it. You can just, as long as you do it, as long as you have the information and the skills, and then you take action to do it. So yeah, if you want to check that out, and that's about all I want to cover today. And I'm off to the shops and I've got some shirt and jacket and this wedding. Alright, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.